Hello friends, how are you? Hopefully you fine. First, first of all, to start our video, you have to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon by which you can see my videos. Guys, we will discuss about online earning through which people are getting their businesses, their revenues, their shares through this platform, and this platform is very valuable for the students who get admissions in abroad, worldwide universities, and they can groom themselves to compete the world. In this way we can make our expertise and we can develop projects, we can work on different applications in different channels, different websites, make our name, and the persons who makes their names makes profits. There are different courses in different departments. Now I am telling you about engineering department, and the engineering department there are the course is the robotics, prerequisites, linear algebra, calculus, basic knowledge of computer programming. Course creator Columbia University. Wow, this course is of for all those engineers to be engineers who want to step their game up and develop expertise in robotics. Remember, this is an advanced level course and it requires you to have some background knowledge of linear algebra, calculus, basic programming skills. This course will teach you how to represent 2D and 3D spatial relationships, manipulate robotic arms, program mobile robots, and develop future application for robots. And second course is introduction to aeronautical engineering. It is a very famous course. In this you can come into the aviation industry. You know aviation industry is worldwide industry like Etihad Airline, Emirates Airlines, Pakistan International Airline, different Gulf Airlines. They are getting revenues huge and huge. Aeronautical engineering course creator Delft University of Technology. If you are looking to make your career as aeronautical engineer, then his might be best deal for you. Delft University of Technology has created this amazing course for those who are willing to pursue aeronautical engineering degrees. This course will give you a detailed introduction to aerodynamics and will progress to more advanced details. You will see and learn how to flight performance is measured. So fasten your seat belt and signing up for this opportunity. Third course is Safety and Chemical Engineering Education Certificate Program. Prerequisites: background in chemical engineering. Free certificate, yes. Course creator Center for Chemical Process Safety. Process safety is one of the most important aspects of chemical engineering. The Center of the Chemical Process Safety has taken this great initiative to train potential chemical engineers worldwide through their online certifications. You will not only learn about the safety measures involved in chemical processes but also the consequences and how to deal with them. Just imagine the value this free course will give to your CV and career. The course involved 3 main curriculums with some additional classes. Guys, you have seen this course is totally free and you have to take this opportunity. Interactive 3D graphics. The interactive 3D graphics is the fourth course. These courses are totally free. You have to pay nothing, 0 rupee, $0, 0 penny, and get this course, avail this course, and groom yourself. 3D interactive 3D graphics, prerequisite basic programming skills. Course creator is Autodesk. This is probably the coolest skill that every engineer would love to earn. Creating stunning interactive 3D graphics, Autodesk already had it in their mind. That's why they have developed this free course for all of you to get your hands into 3D graphics. This course will start with the basic principles of 3D computer graphics and work you through meshes, transforms, materials, cameras, and animations. The course will go on for about 2 months. If you are on average pace, there will be interactive quizzes and exams, and then you will be the master of this course in animation, in graphics, in 3Ds, in 2Ds, creating websites, animation, DHTML, HTML, and your screen will glow, people will attract towards you, and you will take the market and get your share and earn your name. My friends, be conscious. Fifth course is Google SketchUp for 3D modeling. Prerequisite is none. Pre-certification, yes. Course creator is Google, worldwide. Google. If you are not familiar with the Google SketchUp, it is software developed by Google for 3D modeling. It is used by architects, mechanical and civil engineers, and graphic designers to produce 3D models and animations. Google has created a free certification course for all those who want to develop their skills in 3D modeling and animation. This is an introductory to expert level course that does not require you to have any background skills. The course will involve a final assessment, and those who pass it will receive a free certification from Google. Guys, that's amazing. Now, course creator is the Google, and you can think how productive it will be for you. Then you will don't miss this chance. Make your mind all these courses in my videos are totally free. You have to don't pay any single penny. And then why not are you interested to become a master of these fields? Why you can't get expertise? Make your mind, stay with us, and enjoy yourself. Okay, bye.